In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your Epson WorkForce WF-2510 series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser. In the Google search, you want to search for Epson WorkForce WF-2510 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results come back with an Epson support page. It says Epson WorkForce WF-2510 FW support. Go ahead and open that up. And now you just want to scroll down underneath downloads and select the Epson product setup and then the corresponding download button for that. Open up that file to extract it, and it should be a verified publisher from the Epson Corporation. Select yes, and then you want to accept the end user license terms and select OK. And then click the drop down and select the WF-2510 series printer and then select install. And then just proceed with the on-screen steps as you see on my screen here. It's a pretty straightforward process. Get your printer configured if you want to use a wired or wireless-based connection for your printer connected to your device. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.